Hello guys, Trucker Tim here. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Woohoo! If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell. You currently find me on the way back from Northampton on the A14. So a brief description of what my channel is going to be about. It's going to be about trucks, trucking, my life as a truck driver, cars, my BMW M3 that I've got. I'll show you that when we get back later. There's some more on here. Excuse me while I just negotiate this moron. Moron! Let's get by him, Mr. DHL. Flash me in though. Give him some of that back. Nice V8 Scania there. All the pipes and all. If you come from my TikTok, this is going to be so much better. I can do all different angles, like some GoPros. Obviously all hands-free and above board. Let me get back to the yard and I'll show you around the truck. Just thought, as we can now, we're on YouTube, I'll do a little bit of road footage. First proper bit of road footage. Oh, some nice Audis in there. They've always got their lights on inside. They must be plugged in to the mains somehow, mustn't they? Let me know if you spot yourself on the road. It's 6:15. Should be back at the yard about 6:30. Oh. Started at 2 o'clock this morning. I'm back at the ranch, just gonna get weighed in. I've got a bit of a pickle here with this other lorry. I need to clean my mirrors really, that is tight. I'm over in the trailer park now. That was a bit close on that lorry, weren't it? Oh, we've got to drop this trailer here. For a second job, I need that trailer there. It's absolutely pissing it down. This is my lorry. I also drive this skip lorry, I drive that skip lorry, and I drive that one sometimes as well. We can drive that later because I'm taking that walk-in floor to a job. Wind these legs down on this one. There we go. We'll see, won't we? There we go. Right, let's go and get the next one on. We've got this control here. So let the suspension down a bit as we come out. Get this one on, then we're going to Spalding. Jack the suspension up. Now that pin's not gone in properly, but I'll just chuck it in manually. Oh, there she goes. Put the airlines on. Go. Wind the legs up. Very nice. Store that away there. Number plate. Oh, what horrible weather. I had all that lovely weather. Now this. If you can see that or not. Let's double check that. Make sure your safety clips in. You can't see that, but make sure your safety clips in. Woo. So then guys, I'm nearly at Spalding. Woohoo! Just coming around the outside of Spalding on the A16. People keep waving at me, I don't know who they are. They must know me from TikTok. I'll be driving along and all of a sudden, what's your mate? There's another one. Bloody hell. Some indication would be nice. Some people. I shall speak to you when we get to our destination. So I just had to back in from right down there where that lorry is. And we've got a van down here. Absolute chaos. Got to drop this trailer here, pick that one up, put it down there, then hook back up to this one, put this one there, then hook back up to my... What an absolute fuckabout. Drop that there, like that, and then need this one here now. There's not a lot of room down here today. That van's obviously not usually there. And you can see what I'm about to do here. Quite tight in there. Got to take this one, put it down there on the left. Enough room for me to back, get that, put that there, and get that one again and go. Oh, what a day. I need to get this trailer right over this side because I need to back by it. Whew. There we go. Hopefully I'll be able to back by it, get that trailer and put it in position. Not a lot of room here for messing about. Not a place you want to come to on your first day, is it? Skip here, we've got a trailer there, it's all kicking off here. Okay, so I've dropped that one there. Let's go and get that one on. I'm all hooked up. Now let's go! Oh, I'm glad that one's done. Oh my word. Right, we'll get back to the yard, get this one unloaded, jump in the other lorry with the walking floor on the back, then we'll go and do that. I'll see you back at the yard, guys. So I've just got back to the yard. I'm sorry, but look at that. 4.5 hours driving, dead. I'm such a professional. Just got to wait for this container to finish off being loaded. All right, I'm in position now. All open, all unstrapped. Gonna have my paperwork in. So I've tipped my lorry. Now we're taking this one out with a walk-in floor on. And this is the walk-in floor. I'll show you how it all works when we get there. An absolute state, look at it. Anyway, let's go. I just called in the garage back there to get a Dr. Pepper, as you see. I caused absolute carnage in that petrol station. There weren't enough room for me really, but I was committed to getting that Dr. Pepper. Caused chaos, I did, but we was alright. We got out in one piece. What have we got here then? His back wheel's wobbling like mad. Oh, he's got his arm out. He's going left. No worries, mate. What a lad. So here's the walk-in floor. This is how it works. Just put these valves on the back. Just walking them in now. You can walk in and out. Lovely job. Absolutely lovely farm. Could you imagine going down the motorway at 56, holding on to this, and just like, whoa! Oh, and better forget me gloves. Going in. Now obviously this has got a sheet that rolls over the top. I'll cover that in a separate video. Here he comes again. Good lad. Get her on, boy. It's Friday. Made a bit of a mess down here. So now I'm loaded. I'll chuck this strap over. Oh, it's heaped up so much I can't pull it by hand, so we have to put it on the teleporter. And then you can pull it over like this. That's it, we're all loaded. Now leaving this farm. Let's get back to the yard and get tipped. Let's go! Just tipping the cans off now. Got one of our vans down there, that might get buried in a minute. Oh, them bad boys. Got the bales coming out now. Timber! Oh. We're empty. Not too bad, if I do say so myself. Let's get my stuff out of here, get in the car, and go home for the weekend. All loaded up, another week done. Let us lock the gates up. Let's go home and I'll show you the M3. I'll see you there, guys. Let's go. We're home. Now then, what's in there? Oh, it's good to be home. Just before we go in the garage and look at the M3, I'll just show you my model trucks. We've got this fridge lorry here and this heavy haulage lorry with a Volvo 360 excavator on the back. Hopefully going to get some more models as time goes on. Up here we've got an exact model of my M3. But let's go and look at the actual car. Now, I've got the fob. There she is then. My E92 BMW M3. Santorini blue, competition pack. With the competition pack wheels. It needs a wash. We'll do that at the weekend, I think. Carbon roof. Carbon spoiler. So inside we've got the Alcantara steering wheel. It's immaculate in there. I'll show you inside another day on another video. Absolutely love this blue. I've got my model cars here as well. They're going to be going up on the walls once I get the garage done. So I'm going to board the walls, paint them white, board the roof, put some spotlights in. Might even have a man cave up there, have some sort of hatch with a ladder that comes down. So you can see how clean the wheels are. Look. So when she's parked up, I'll leave it on trickle charge so the batteries don't go dead. So she's a 4 litre V8, naturally aspirated. Make sure you subscribe because next time I'll show you under the bonnet. I'll show you inside, show you the Alcantara steering wheel. So I think personally these cars are going to go up in money over time. So this isn't going anywhere. Probably even be handed down to my little boy. I'd also love to have it professionally detailed, machine polished, probably even PPF. Show you what else I want to do to it as well. I want to polish up this back box, make that all shiny. Anyway guys, that's the end of my first YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is new to me, so we'll get better as time goes on. If you liked it, hit the like button, share, subscribe, all that, you know how it goes. I really appreciate you watching, guys. Make sure you have a brilliant weekend, and I'll speak to you over the weekend on TikTok. Cheers!